Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So I know that you are all ready to give your pre-final exam, that is which is going to be conducted tomorrow. So as last minute tips, I just want to give you the most important questions, or you can call it as short questions which you don't have to miss. Okay, so even if you have prepared very well for your exam, or if you're someone who has not yet prepared for your exam, these short questions are going to help you. Okay, సో ఒకవేళ మీరు బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి ఉంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మాత్రం మిస్ చేయకుండా ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి. ఒకవేళ అసలు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వలేకపోయి ఉంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసుకుంటే అట్లీస్ట్ మీకు మోర్ దెన్ హాఫ్ అండ్ క్లోజర్ టు యువర్ యూనో A1 గ్రేడ్ వచ్చేలా మీకు మీ స్కోర్ అనేది ఉండేలా ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ లాస్ట్ మినిట్ questions which you don't afford to miss, right? So let's begin the session. So firstly, before I start the session, let me tell you, I will give you from every chapter what you have to learn. Okay, the most important topics from every chapter I'll tell you. And also, now since today is the final day and you hardly have very few hours for your preparation, so I'll tell you the order of preparation. Now you will go with the most repeated questions, and then you will go with the least repeated, right? So I hope you're getting the point now. So what you're going to do is I'll give you the priority of the chapters. So you will go in the same priority so that you can score more, right? Because the preparation time is very less now. Okay. And once you finish your pre-finals, again we shall, have our essay 2 revision sessions full-fledgedly, right? So let's begin now. So, firstly, as I told you, from every chapter, I'll tell you what is important, what you have to prepare, and lastly, I'll give you the order of preparation. Okay, so if you take real numbers, in real numbers, proof of irrational numbers is very important, and exercise 1.1, finding HCF and LCM. Okay, and when given, like in yesterday's session, also we have discussed one question. So, you have to prove that square of any positive integer is of the form, right? So questions of that model based on Euclid's division lemma and logarithms are very important. Now, if you're not comfortable with logarithms, you can stop by doing these two topics because proof of irrational numbers is very easy. Yesterday also we discussed, and this question looks lengthy, but it is easy. Okay. And now sets. It sets is very easy chapter where you have to learn only union, intersection, difference. Okay, how you can perform the operation of union of set, intersection of set, and difference of set. Apart from this, okay, this you may get it for short, okay, and also objective time. Now, apart from this, when this question is given to you in essay time, okay, for 8 marks. So yeah, I remember now that there was a student yesterday in live chat telling that there is no 8-marker question. Please don't allow these rumors to creep into your preparation, right? So you have seen your pre-final one question paper, and you have seen your board exam model paper also I have uploaded in the channel. So your pre-final paper will be, as it is in the same model as your board exam paper. So whatever is your board exam paper, the same model you will have here. So please don't believe in any rumors. Go with whatever the government is prescribing. Okay, so I have given you the question paper prescribed by government. The same question paper model you will get. Okay, so you'll have 8-mark questions, right? Okay, so now let's proceed here. So sets. So when you're doing this chapter, you will have to learn how you're going to convert from set builder form to roster form. Okay, so set builder to roster. So if you're learning this, okay, how to convert from set builder to roster, if you're learning this, then definitely you will be able to attend the objective type, also very short and essay. So this one topic will help you a lot. Okay, and sets preparation will not take more than half an hour, right? In polynomials, you will learn graph and what is zero of the polynomial. Suppose if they gave you a polynomial p of x and if they ask you to find the value of p of 1, you should be able to find. Simple substitute 1 in the place of x. Okay, and graph you will get it for essay. Pair of linear equations, you should know what is consistent, inconsistent. You have a box in your textbook, isn't it? So you have to know that, and also you have to know the graph. Okay. Quadratic equation. Now here in quadratic equation, there is no essay question. So nature of roots you should understand. So taking discriminant value, how to find discriminant value, and how to find nature of roots when discriminant is greater than 0, less than 0, and equal to 0. So this is what you have to learn from quadratic equation. Okay, so if you are already prepared, you can go with word problems, but if you're not prepared right now, so I suggest do only these things. Okay, and progressions also, you will only learn what is nth term and sum of nth terms formulae and how you're applying it. Okay, 1 2 questions, that's it. Coordinate geometry, you will learn what is distance formula, how to apply distance formula. Again, 1 2 questions, not more than that. You will learn midpoint formula and how you are applying midpoint formula if 2 points are given to you. Trisection is an essay question. How to find points of trisection is essay question. And also, so you may get questions like this. So in a circle, center is given to you. A point on the circle is given to you. So it is 1 comma 2. You have to find the radius. Radius is nothing but the distance between these 2 points. So you will learn distance formula to do this question, right? So that's how you are going to learn now. Now in triangles, you will learn construction of similar triangles when a triangle is given to you. And also you just learn BPT theorem if in case, it's important if in case if it is asked you can attempt. So apart from this, I'm not suggesting any proof that questions in triangles right now, because as of now you have no time to do all the questions. You have to do only very few questions and scoring questions. Okay, similarly tangents and secants also, I am suggesting you to learn the construction, and you have two theorems in this chapter, theorem 1 and theorem 2. Theorem 1 is nothing but radius and tangent are perpendicular, so this one theorem you will have a look. Okay, or else here also I'm explaining, you always remember radius and the tangent are perpendicular at the point of contact. Theorem number 2 says, now from an external point I can draw two tangents to the circle. Okay, the length of these tangents, length is nothing but from this point to this point. This is called length of the tangent. So the length of these two tangents are equal. Okay, so if they are giving the distance from say center to this point, okay, and you know that radius and tangent are perpendicular, so now this becomes a right angle triangle. So you will use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of tangent. So this is one only model you will learn in this chapter, okay, as of now. And also let me tell you, we have done SA1 revision. So in SA1 revision I have completed many chapters for AP and TS. So within very short time you will learn the chapter. So similar triangles which you feel it is difficult, so in that also prove that questions I have taken. So similar triangles, applications of trigonometry, one shot. It is only 45 minutes, I guess. The video is only 45 minutes. So in 45 minutes you will learn the entire chapter. And then I also completed polynomials, how to draw the graph very easily. Okay, and linear equations also, it is only half an hour video, how to draw the graph very easily. So, and proof of irrational numbers is also 20 minutes video. So you can learn all of these topics from the SA1 revision playlist. Okay, and also trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is 1.5 hour video. So if you have time, you can look into that, where every previous year question is covered. Okay, and graphs, polynomials, pair of linear equation, all of this is covered. And not only this, probability is also very short video. So with if you see this half an hour 40 minutes video, you will complete your complete chapter. Okay, so if you don't know anything about the chapter, now here mensuration, you learn the formula. Okay, in the first starting of the chapter you have various formulas, cube, cuboid, sphere, all of that. So you just learn the formula, and you should know how you're substituting the formula when a question is given to you. So you should know, suppose the question talks about cube, so you should immediately remember cube formula so that you can apply. So if they're talking about cube, you should know side of the cube is given in the question. So with this one simple information, you can calculate what is volume of the cube, or say what is total surface area of the cube, or lateral surface area. So learning formula will help you a lot in this chapter. So only by learning formula you can happily solve any question given to you. Now the next concept of the chapter is volume change. Now suppose if one shape is converted to another, say a cube is converted into sphere. So volume of those two are equal. Okay, so suppose in the question they give you this cube is converted into small spheres. Okay, then what you can take is volume of cube is equal to how many spheres are there? All those spheres. So I don't know how many are there. So n into volume of each sphere. So here if you can clearly see, you just have to know volume of cube formula, volume of sphere formula, And from the question you will take radius of the sphere, substitute here. From the question you will take side of the cube, substitute here. You can get your n value. Okay, so sometimes you don't have this n value. See, n value you will get only when one shape is converted, divided into many small parts, okay, of the other shape. Otherwise, if there is a cube which is converted into a cuboid, okay, I'm just drawing 2D shapes here, so no confusion again, right? So if it's a cube converted into cuboid, so you'll say volume of cube equal to volume of cuboid and substitute the formula. So formulas play a major role in this chapter. Okay, and then trigonometry. For trigonometry, I suggest if you are worried about trigonometry, so if you have time, there is one shot revision of trigonometry in our channel. So I'll give you the link of the playlist here in the description box. You can check that, you can do. Otherwise, you just learn table of values of trigonometry. Okay, so in the one shot video I gave you the tricks of how to remember the table of values. So I suggest do just open the video, fast forward it and just see how what is the trick to remember table of values and also trigonometric ratio. I gave you the tricks there, so do fast forward and at least see the tricks, okay, so that you can remember this, because the table of values you get it for your short, you get it for your objective. So it's really important because 3-4 marks will be covered here. And if you're comfortable with identities, learn identities. From identities, the basic identities, cos square plus sine square is 1, secants. So these basic identities you may get it for one identity, you may get it for objective also. So do just at least learn the identities, okay, even if you're not doing the questions. Now, applications of trigonometry. So you should know how to draw the figure here and how and which ratio you have to take. So here, my sincere suggestion is there is a half an hour video, 30-minute video for applications of trigonometry. So if you get application of trigonometry, you may get a essay question and a short question. So you can have a look at this 30-minute video which will help you to crack applications of trigonometry. Okay. So essay question means 8 marks, short means 4 marks. So it will be very helpful for you. Within 30 minutes you can complete this chapter. Now probability, I'm not suggesting anything here as of now for probability. Okay. Because again the same reason we have lack of time. And stats. Stats is a very important chapter where you get one very short or short, very short or short. Definitely you will have a question and definitely one essay question you will have. And also objective question you will have. So it's very important chapter, more than 8 plus 4 plus 1, at least 12 to 15, 16 marks you have only from statistics. So I suggest this is a really important chapter. You will get a question like what is the formula for to find median of a group data. Simple question. At least the formula you should be able to write. You will get 2 marks, right? So they will give you a data, they'll ask you to find the mode. Simple data. Okay, they'll ask you to find mode. Class 9. How you used to find mode? So like 9, 9, 5, 4. So this data is given to you. Find mode. You may get it for objective. So very simple, and here you will have to focus on this topic. Now since I told you what you have to learn, now let me tell you in which order you have to learn. Okay, so the order in which you have to learn is, since time is very less and we have to utilize it properly. So first thing is you will learn polynomials. I'm giving you here the order in which you have to learn now. Firstly, you will learn polynomials. In polynomials, you will learn the graph. Second, you will learn pair of linear equation. Here also you will learn only the graph. Okay, polynomials graph, pair of linear equation graph. If you have any doubt in drawing the graph, there is revision video. So you can just click the description of the video of this video and you will get the link. Just see only how to draw the graph in that video. Okay, again for essay 2 we shall have elaborate revision classes. As of now, there is no time, so I am giving you only limited questions to learn. So polynomials, how to draw graph, linear equation, how to draw the graph. And also statistics. So third will be your statistics. You will learn how to draw Ogilvy curve. Okay. And also you will learn the formula for mean, median, mode, and how to solve. So for mean you will take class interval frequency given in the question. You will write class mark. Okay. And you will write Fi, Xi. Xi is nothing but class mark. Fi is frequency. So you will at least draw the skeleton, okay, and you should know how your what table belongs to what. Now for me, this is the table. Okay, for assumed mean, you will have class interval, frequency, class mark. This is xi, this is fi. Now you from these exercise you will assume one mean. The middle value will take it as assumed mean, and you will find deviation from all the class mark with your assumed mean. So xi minus a. And then lastly you will multiply fi di. Here you are multiplying fi xi. So this column you will leave and you will multiply fi di. And then the formula, right? So for statistics, the one shot revision is really useful for you. You can check it out because the entire chapter almost you have to cover in this stats. There is no option because every topic is really important. Now for median, there is only class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency, only three columns. For mode, there is no column, only class interval and frequency. And you will learn the formula for mean, median, mode. Auger curve, you will learn how to draw it. Okay, auger curve I did not cover in my class, but mean, median, mode, all the models we have covered. So third priority you're giving for stats. So if you're doing stats now, you will cover maximum 15 marks here. And also at least one graph out of polynomials and linear equation, at least one graph. So 8 marks again. So more than 20 to 30 marks you're covering within these three chapters. Is it very clear now? Okay, so this is the order. Now topic number 4 you're going to learn is sets. Sets is super easy chapter where you should learn only what is union, intersection, difference, and set builder to roster. This is very important. Everyone knows how to write union of set. Everyone knows how to write intersection and difference. Lekin, but so you should know how you are converting set builder to roster form. This is very important if it is given for a 8 marker question. And also for objective they will ask you. So if you're learning sets also, minimum 10 marks, minimum I'm saying, not maximum, minimum to minimum 10 marks you can score from sets. Okay, so do give it fourth priority. Okay, now fifth priority. Now after you are learning so much, now we shall have some drawing so that your mind will relax. So we shall learn construction of your triangles and also construction of tangents and secants. Okay, so these two constructions you will learn. Okay, so firstly we are learning three graphs, that is polynomials, linear equation and statistics, and along with statistics graph you will learn mean, median, mode. So till here almost 30 marks you will score easily. Now you will learn sets also, so almost 35 to 40 marks you will score. Next you will learn constructions. Out of two constructions, one is definite question, so there again 45 marks easily you will get. Okay, so then you will, after tangents and secants construction, just go back and learn real numbers. Real numbers you have been learning from your FA1 exam, isn't it? So proof of irrational numbers, exercise 1.1. Very important, one short, one essay you may expect from this. Okay, so please do learn, and this is order number 7. Okay, so once you learn these 7 chapters, okay, so still if you have time, these 7 are short chapters, you are not going to miss them. Okay, and after learning these 7 chapters, in these 7 chapters also you will learn only whatever I am giving to you here. And here in polynomials you will learn the short answer, zero of polynomial, and also this table you will learn what is meaning of consistent and inconsistent. That's it. Okay, so once you are done with this, what you are going to do is, now you will learn coordinate geometry. Okay, so this will be your reference number 8. Coordinate geometry, what is midpoint, distance, very easy. So within 15 minutes you can learn this. Okay, and then you will learn what is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Okay, and also they will give you one equation, like they will give you 2x plus 1 whole square equal to x plus 1 whole square. They will ask, is it a quadratic equation or not? Very simple. The first exercise of quadratic equation. Do you remember? So this you will learn. This question you will learn. Okay, basic question. These two are very short, basic questions. Okay, so you will learn that, and then you will go for progressions. You will learn what is nth term formula and sum of n terms formula. That's it. Okay, and after that you will come to mensuration. Okay, progressions and mensuration. Learn the formula first. Okay, learn the formula first, and also trigonometry, learn the table of values first. After these are done, then you will do one or two questions from your exercise of mensuration and trigonometry. Is it very clear? Okay, so now you have completed 90% of your syllabus if you're doing this. Okay, not 90% of the syllabus. I have not given you exercise problems. I have not given you exercise problems. If you check it properly, so I'm not telling you to learn all the questions from your exercise. Are you able to understand? I have just told you, for example, if I take proof of irrational number, so in yesterday's class I discussed there are 4 5 models, so you will learn those 4 5 models, out of which only 2 are essay question models and 3 are short question models. Short question models within 1 2 minutes you can complete. Essay question is only, it is taking little time. So you are just learning the model of question. You are not doing exercise problem. So here you will save lot of time. Now sets, if you open sets chapter, if you learn each and every exercise, it will take a lot of time. Instead of that, what you will do, take one question. Okay, take what is A, what is B. Say A is 1, 2, 3, B is 4 and 5. Just learn how you are doing A union B. How you will do A minus B. How you will do B minus A. How you will do A intersection B. And how you are going to draw the Venn diagram. That's it, you will complete your sets chapter. Okay, and this is very important. As I have been telling you, set builder to roster form, your first exercise of sets, please do have a look. So if you are comfortable in converting, then definitely you will score a lot in this chapter. That polynomials, you will learn how to draw the graph. Okay, for that you can see the video class of S7 revision. Pair of linear equations also, how to draw the graph. That's it, only how to draw. Okay, so that is the reason you will save a lot of time and you will be able to cover all the topics which I told you right now. Okay, now mean also in exercise 14.1 you have a lot of questions. You will not do all the questions. You will just learn how you are, for mean, what is the table you are drawing, what is the formula you are using. Assume what is the table I am drawing, what is the formula I am using. So you will only learn the concept and you will do one problem from each of these concepts, not all the problems. So that you can, do it very quickly and complete the most important questions now before you go to sleep today. And tomorrow, once you wake up little early in the morning, revise whatever you have learned today. Okay, so this is for those students who have not learned anything till now and who want to score better. And for those students who have learned already, so you don't dare to miss these questions. Okay, so if you're again starting from exercise number 1.1, it will take a lot of time. So firstly revise these questions and then you can go on with your revision plan. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to give you for today, because you have your exam tomorrow. And this is the order of priority which you have to give to the chapters. So most important chapters are these, and in the chapters also I have, segregated essay questions and short. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you, and do share with all your friends as well. Okay, so I'll meet you for essay 2 revision also. I'm with you. So part B, you have asked me, so many of you have asked me to give part B questions. So almost 300 to 400 questions we shall do part B in our channel. So don't worry, you just give your exam, okay, and come back. So complete your science and social also, and we shall start a revision within 2 days. So every day I will try to complete at least, from the chapter. Let's try to complete all the questions, and part B series I will bring that 300 questions minimum. Let's try to complete, okay, all your previous year questions and Abhyas Deepika questions. So you don't have to worry at all for your essay 2 exam also. So as of now, since I have no time for you, I could not prepare you very well for pre-finals. So I'm giving you these important questions, so which are, most expected in your exam. So do well and come back, so that we can start our essay 2 revision soon. And also do share this with all your friends too who are in trouble right now. And also do follow the channel, do subscribe it, like this video right now, and do comment and let me know after tomorrow's exam. And also now, if you feel the video is helpful for you, and after tomorrow's exam also, do come back, okay, and do comment and let me know whether these questions were helpful for you or not. Okay, so please do comment and let me know tomorrow as well. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care, and all the very best. And I suggest, please don't miss any of the question. So the topics which I gave you are very important. So do those topics first, only then you will do the rest of the topics. Okay, so I mean do so you will take your pen, book, and you will write and do those topics, and you will try to remember. Now statistics, you will just not turn the pages and see, acha, this is mean, this is median. Do at least one problem. Is it very clear? Okay, only then you will get the scores which I'm expecting from you, right? So not more questions. So you will do whatever I have given to you right now. Okay, not all the exercise problems, right? So I'll see you all in the next session. So do comment and let me know tomorrow also after your exam. Come back soon. I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and all the very best.